Well, we're back out here at the creek, a river, whatever this is, Clear Creek again today. At a different little spot along the way. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. Jorge here.
And guess what? If we don't have any luck, we can always watch the football game. They're getting ready to start playing soccer over there. So,
Football.
place your bets now. And the red is in the lead, and the blue's coming up around the bend, and you know
That's
how it
horses.
goes. Yeah, that's horses. My bad. See you in a bit. So, I'm going to show y'all how our little solly saw works, because I have a branch in my way. So, yes, I have the hot sauce with us. I should leave it just sitting here.
That don't count as a tree.
Yes, it does. So, let's see if I can get the camera right. And just like that. Huh?
What'd you say?
What?
I said tell them sorry about the music.
Oh, sorry about the music in the background, but the guys that are going to play football are getting all ready. So see how quick and easy that does? I don't know if you got to see it or not. I mean, it's fast. It's a sharp little booger. It's just done. I mean, done. And gets all these little things out of your way.
And that hasn't been charged up in 3 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks?
Yeah, we bought it. Well, when we got it for Christmas or birthday or whatever we got it for, I don't remember now, from my daughter. We charged it, and it ain't been charged since. And like I said, it's only like $30 on Amazon. If I can find the link again, I'll put it in the description. But this is so handy to have out on your magnet fishing journeys, because you've always got something in the way, and I can't get down there to that.
They don't sponsor us in any way.
Yeah, this don't sponsor us in any way. But it's very handy to have, because stuff gets in your way, you got to get it out of the way. So there you be. Focus. What's Jorge got? Part of a file. Nice. Piece of crappy crap. This must be Jorge's day. We're mad at him now. Ooh. No, we're not, because this is for me. Nice square nail, y'all. Love it, love it, love it.
Very nice.
Anything else? You got a stick?
Stick.
Is that some more of that file?
Yep, I think so.
Another piece of that file. Very nice. Nice! Oh, I got a Christmas tree. Full of yuck yuck. Merry Christmas! Well, I have a Ever-Ready C battery. People, please don't put your batteries in the water. That's just like the worst thing in the world you can do. The rest of it's just tetanus metal. I don't know if you guys remember that little island we used to sit on and fish all last summer. Right there. Mostly covered up. Yep. Just pulled this one up. It's got a whole lot of nails and muck on it and stuff, but this little thing looks like a furniture leg, a little tiny one. So I think I'm gonna take him home and clean him up. see what he looks like. Always check your stuff and see what it is. You never know what kind of treasure you might have. Look, y'all, I got a piece of folk. Urgh. It's not quite as mad as that first one I ever got, but oh, it's kind of angry, just a little. Well, on that one, got an old spam key. Boy, it is old and crusty right there. Very old.
I don't know.
Jorge just found this weird piece. It's weird enough that we want to clean it up. Don't know what it is.
Could be anything.
We will find out. We didn't bring our little hammer today, naturally.
Oh, I forgot about that.
I don't know if you can see little Mr. Duck going there. He's got a little plume on top of his head. He's so cute. God love him. They came down here and they decided to leave. We moved down here to where the magnet got stuck last year, and back here to where trees fell and stuff. And I got something coming up on the magneto. Let's see what it is. It is a top to something, or maybe it was a griddle pan and maybe that's where the handle went. Not sure. Cool though. Very nice. Just thinking again, y'all. This could be off of one of those old time stoves, and you had to stick the thing in here to pick it up and the fire was underneath it. I mean, it's the only other thing I can think of. There's no writing on it. So, I don't know, just thinking aloud. Throwing it out there, see if anybody else knows. Sticking it to the wall and seeing if it stays. Alright, that throw I got a can lid. Some more spiky stuff. Looks like probably barbed wire. Big old piece. And then this thing. Looks square nailish, but it's got that hoop at the top. And I got some fishing wire. Don't know what that is. That's very neat. And the rest is just crud. This doesn't happen to me very often. But I just caught a tree. Look at him. He's weird shaped too. Very cool. Does that mean George has to have hot sauce? I didn't throw it into a tree, but I drug one back. I don't know, I'm perplexed, y'all. Tell me something. Oh, and if I said fishing wire, I didn't mean to. I do that all the time and I don't know why. I know it's fishing line. I grew up country and we always said that. Oh, hey, hey. Oh, look. Look at that. With my tree came one in. Nice. I'm gonna keep that bad boy. That's still in good shape. This little rusty poo. And I got some more fishing line. Look. I know it's line. Did I get anything else? I wasn't even looking. I was paying more attention to the tree I brought up. Let me know if George should drink some, and if so, I'll have him do it on the next. I got something really heavy. I can't even get it in here. It's too heavy, I can't get it in here. I hope Richard from Big Dog comes down here in the spring like he said, because this is where the magnets never go hungry. That's huge, whatever it is.
Remember that one pipe you left up here?
Leave it to Jorge to get it up here.
Oh my gosh.
There was a pipe that was too heavy to move or anything else last summer. And we drug it up to the garbage way up there.
Way up there.
And this looks like it, but it didn't have this piece on it. Good night, Irene. What have I got this time? Oh, the stick. And another stick. And some weeds. These bed springs are my arch nemesis. We find these all the time. There's my babies. They came back over to say hello, Mr. Tuxedo. And Mr. Whitey Boy with the orange face. So precious. Still cleaning up on magnet. Sure don't want to throw now. They're so pretty. I hope y'all can see them. That explains all the goose poop. They're back.
They're fat, ain't they?
They are fatter than fat. They've been doing good this winter. Hello.
Must be them fat American geese I heard about.
The fat American geese we hear about all the time. Oh God, they're so pretty. I hope you can see them too. The ducks are over there, and geese just came up this way. Hello. Y'all ain't been starving or nothing. All these birds are so graceful and pretty. Let's see what I'm pulling up while they're coming this way. I have what looks like the top an old oil filter, and it is. Makes me so mad. No, it's the top to an oil filter. And just junk. But a bunch of stuff that would hurt if you stepped on it. Yep. Well, the sun's setting. It's getting late in the day. And I've got a full bucket of scrap. Not sure what George's got over there. I'm going to give you one live toss and pull in, and I'm going to be done for the day. Ugh. Clean this off because I know it just sprayed you. Hey, don't forget to go to kratosmagnetics.com. Put in Shannon Robinson, all little letters, no spaces. Get you 12% off. Good birthday present, Christmas present, any holiday present. Good just to have. If you ever want to go fishing with us, hit us up. Our Facebook and email and all that is in the description. Don't forget the missing and murdered indigenous women. That's in the description as well. Watch Murder in Bighorn. Check out all our friends. They're in the description. And the last throw was nada. I will bring you back if George has anything. I'm not sure if y'all can see little buddies across the way there. George named them Tatum and Ryan O'Neill. I hope you can see them. Little tuxedo guy's over there preening himself. And the white one's shaking his butt. It's so cute.
Hey, by the way, have you ever just wondered